Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Vivi. So today's video is going to be a tutorial, a nude look tutorial. If you want to watch how I created this look, please stay tuned and let's get right into it. I'm going to be applying my number 7 face primer. I'm going to be color correcting with my L.A Girl in orange to cover up my dark spots. Applying my foundation, my Fenty Beauty and Black Opal True Evil, or is it True Color? I'm going to blend in with my beauty blender. So we're done with the foundation now. I'm going to be applying my powder, my Milani powder, by dabbing it into my skin. I'm going to apply my MAC mineralized skin finish under my eye because I do not want my under eye to crease almost immediately. I'm going to be highlighting with my concealer this time because I'm trying to just go for a simpler look today for this video, this tutorial. But then I'll be highlighting with my setting powder, my Sacha buttercup setting powder, and I'm just going to be applying them on the areas I would want to be highlighted. So my under eye, my forehead, I'm going to be contouring my crease with my Slay Contour Kit, but then in the lightest shade because we're trying to go for a very, very subtle eyes look. And I'll be applying my House of Tara eyeshadow primer. Taking in brown from my Juvia palette, and I'm just going to be applying it at the edge of my eyelids. From the same palette, I'll be applying the shade Giza on my eyelids. And I'm just going to blend the top of my crease so it doesn't look, harsh. Just want everything well blended. Applying my Inglot Gel liner in 77 on the my upper eyelid. Just brushing my hairs and my brows upwards. Going in with my H&E Brow Gel and my angle brush. Applying my Blot Cosmectics gel liner to fill in my brows. So I'm going to be concealing my brows now, my brow bone rather, with my L.A Girl Concealer and my angle brush, just to make sure that the brows look really sharp and neat. And I'm just going to use my Blot Cosmetic Brow Gel. Moving forward, I'm going to blend off the excesses and wear my lashes, and I'll be right back. So now I've gone ahead to fix my lashes. I'm just going to, do my waterline, black, and finish up the rest of the makeup. But almost pretty much done. Let me do my lips. So I'm just going to, I'm using Mabrook. I'm just going to go ahead and apply my blush and spray my face. I'm going to be spraying my face with Yanga Beauty makeup setting spray. I'm using my Milani pencil in Cocoa to line my lips. I'll be applying my NYX Lip Cream. I actually like the lips like this, but I'm quite tempted to, put some gloss on it. So I think I'm going to apply just a little bit of gloss, the Fenty Beauty Gloss. First, we're going to be applying the gold deposit, MAC gold deposit on strategic points. I'm just going to be doing a little bit of contour with my Sleek Contour Kit in light, just a little bit to define my highlight. Okay. So we've come to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is the finished look. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share. I'll see you guys in my next video, and I'm going to drop in the comment section below the list of all the products I use. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in my next video.